All right, so if you clicked on this video, I can assume one thing. You want to learn how you can be making money from home doing this all online by using other people's content. Now, let me get this straight. This is not the method that you've previously seen before where you're stealing other people's content and then reposting that and trying to get paid off of it. This is a completely legal way for you to start making money off of other people's content. You don't have to sit in front of a camera. You don't have to do fancy editing. All you have to do is take other people's clips, make a few small tweaks, and then upload those to your social media account and then get paid. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. All right, so the first thing that we're going to need to do, we're going to need to head on over to Whop and create a free account. It costs you absolutely nothing to get started, so go ahead, get signed up, and once you log in, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do in order to get started making money off of other people's content. All right, so this is the Whop platform. This is where you're going to find all of the content that you can actually repurpose and start making money off of. So once you go to the website, there's a couple different things that you want to take a look at. First thing we see right here is the board right here. So they're going to have tons of opportunities on here. There are going to be a lot of different trainings that you can go through that's going to show you how to produce this content, how to use the platform, but I'm going to give you a brief introduction right now and show you what this is all about. Right now, platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they're paying users thousands and thousands of dollars per day to be able to upload new content. Now, this is a completely unique way of doing this where you're not worried about getting paid from TikTok, YouTube, or any of the other social media platforms. You're working directly with the content creators and big brands in order to repurpose content that they've already put up so that way you can start getting paid with them. This is like a joint partnership on a digital level. So if we click right here on the Earn tab right here, you can see a lot of different posts from people putting up different offers that you can go ahead and check out where you can start making money on. So like, look at this one right here, make $2 per 1,000 views plus reoccurring affiliate revenue. Here's another one right here, $2 per 1,000 views. Some of these brands and some of these creators are paying a lot of money for 1,000 views. Why they're doing this is because it's making them money as well. So it can make you money, it can make them money, and everybody's happy at the end of the day. And if you click on learn right here, there's gonna be a lot of course content from other creators that are gonna be showing you how they're making money using this platform and doing clipping. Now what we wanna do, we wanna go ahead and click on Discover. Now, Discover is where you're gonna find a lot of different opportunities for you to start making money on. So what we wanna do is go ahead and click on Show All for content rewards. And then what we can do is go over here to the right-hand side and we can actually filter this. We can filter it by the highest available budget. We can do it by most paid out, highest CPM, and then the newest as well. So if we click on most paid out, we can see how much these creators or brands have been paying out for people creating content for them or repurposing their content. So just look at this one right here. They've paid out $28,000 out of the $39,000 that they've allocated for this budget. Look at another one right here. They've paid out $10,000 out of the $25,000 that they have allocated for their budget. We look at another one right here, $8,000 out of the $8,500 that they've paid out for their budget. Now, what is really important when you are deciding on which brands and which creators that you want to partner with, make sure that they are not almost done with their campaign. You want to find something that already has been paying out, but you want to also have something that is not at the end of its life cycle, okay? And if we click on submissions right here, we can see some of the content creators and how much they're making from doing clips. So just check out some of these content creators. This guy's earned $2,000, he's earned $2,000. This guy earned $3,500. Here's another $1,400 payout. So as you can see, you can make real money by doing this. It doesn't take a lot of time. You don't have to sit here and create the videos from scratch. You can use other people's content, repurpose it, add a little bit of text to it, and then get paid on it. And just to show you how simple these videos are, he just added a little bit of text on here. He might have added a little bit of background music. Look at this one right here. They just added a little bit of text. make sure they repurpose that, they uploaded it to their social media account, and then they're getting paid for every time somebody views that content. Super simple for you to do, but don't worry if you don't know how to repurpose these videos. I'm gonna show you how to use the power of AI to create these videos for you from scratch. You really have no work to do. Just follow the simple program, make sure you stay consistent, and you will make money doing this. So if we look at the leaderboard right here, we can actually see all of the different categories that you can start selecting in order to make money from. Whichever one stands out to you, maybe you are focused on a specific niche, then you can go ahead and select that specific niche and then start repurposing that content. So for instance, if we just clicked on anything, if we just clicked on dating, there's a lot of different dating sites that are going to be paying you to repurpose clips. And if you look right here, it's going to tell you the name, that's going to show you how many people has already joined, and then they're going to show you what the opportunity graph looks like as well on how their sales stats is doing for this content. So we can go through any one of these and then select which one is going to stand out to you, and then you can go ahead and get signed up and then start doing clipping for these different brands. So now back to selecting some different brands to work with. We're going to go back to explore. We're going to go click on show all, and then we're going to go ahead and then filter this as well. And if you want to go with something that's already been proven and is working, I always like to select most paid out. So if you click on most paid out, you can kind of take a look and see which ones are kind of like in the middle of their life of that campaign. And then once you click on it, that's going to show you what you're going to have to do in order to join them. So we click on that, and then that's going to bring you to this page right here. So the next thing that you can do is you can read down here. This is all the announcements that they've put out so far. And then you can click on earn. Once you click on earn, that's going to show you exactly what steps that you need to do and what you need to include inside your video, so that way you can start getting paid out. So we scroll down, we can see some other content creators, some of the stuff that they've put up. And then what we want to do is we want to go here to the top where it says content rewards. So if we click on content rewards, this is going to give you the details right here on what you need to do in order to start making money with this. So take a look at the platforms that they want you to upload on. This one is for Instagram and for TikTok. So if we just click on that, and they're going to tell you right here, the requirements: must use the hashtag, you must tag this name right here inside of the post, and then it must be less than 1 minute. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward, not a lot of work that you have to do in order to get this going. They're also going to show you they're paying out $2 per 1,000 views. And then the minimum payout is $1. Max payout on this campaign is going to be about $2,000 per person that you can earn for making clips using this brand's content. And then they're going to tell you right here what kind of product or service that they offer. And this one is software. And one thing that is very important when you're doing this, make sure that once you upload the clip to your social media, make sure that you go back to Whop and then you submit it within 1 hour so you can start getting paid immediately. All right, so next, what we want to do is we want to start grabbing content that we can start repurposing and uploading to our social media platform. So once you have selected a creator or a brand that you are interested in working with and you got all signed up from them, what you want to do is you want to look down here where it says assets. And again, make sure you pay attention to all the requirements on everything that you need to do when you upload the content to your social media. But he has 2 different ways that you can start grabbing content. Now, you can either go to the drive folder right here. And once you go to the drive folder, you can see he has different folders right here with different types of content. So if we just click on one, you can see there are tons of videos in here that you can go ahead and repurpose. Just add a little bit of text, maybe add some music, kind of mix it up and kind of do your own thing with it. I'm going to show you how to do this with AI, but you also have the option of doing this manually as well. So just find out which piece of content that you want to repurpose. Then we can go ahead and get started on this. So one of the easiest ways to do this is using AI to create the videos for you. You don't have to really do any work. Just throw them through AI. They're going to take care of all of the work and then kick out some really good videos for you to repurpose. So if you don't want to use the drive videos, you can go right here to his YouTube. Click on the YouTube link. That is going to bring you to his YouTube channel right here. I'm not going to play the audio for copyright purposes, but if you click on that, you can just grab a video that he's done. You can grab the YouTube link, and now Now I'm going to take you over to the tool that you should be using in order to create these videos. But before we move forward, if you're finding this video helpful, do yourself a favor, hit that subscribe button, make sure you like the video, and if you want to, share this content with others, because this is going to help a lot of people start making money. I think they will be thanking you for this later on. I put up tons of content just like this that's going to show you how to make money online. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can stay updated as soon as I release a new video. So the AI platform that we're going to be using to do this is Orpus Clip. So Orpus Clip is a really unique piece of AI software. It can take one log video and turn it into 10 viral clips, and it creates it 10 times faster. So this is a really popular tool. So it takes long form content, makes a whole bunch of clips for you, and it's just going to speed up the process of you making video content. Now, again, you do have the option to do all of this manually if you have the time or if you have the skill set. And I'm going to create some other videos on other platforms like video editors like CapCut. That's a really popular video editing software that you can use. They do have a free version that you can download instantly and start doing all of this manually. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you the power of Orpus Clip. So they do have a couple different pricing options, starting as low as $15. So if you want to go ahead and get signed up and pay immediately, but if you just want to try it out, they do have a trial version that you can get signed up for. So what you want to do is grab that YouTube link, and then you're going to go ahead, paste that YouTube link right here into Orpus Clip. And then if you scroll down here to the bottom, you can see some quick presets that they have. So if you're doing a karaoke, they got a gameplay, they have like a Mr. Beast type of theme as well. You can go ahead and select which type of theme or template that you want to go ahead and start for your clipping. Now that they have it ready, just go ahead and click on Get Clips. All right, so once your file is done processing, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on it. And the power of this software is just truly amazing. Not only are they going to go ahead and create clips out of your long form content, they're also going to give you a score as well. And what that score is basically telling you which clips are most likely to go viral out of the ones that they've created from your content. Super powerful stuff here. Now, they do have some advanced features as well. If you want to go ahead and edit that clip, you can click on the edit button, and then that will bring you to their own video editor as well. So if you want to do the AI enhancement, if you want to add captions, if you want to add text, if you want to add transitions, B-roll, all of that can be done right here using this platform. So this is going to be a super, super useful tool in order to create content super, super fast. You just go ahead, upload it, let the AI do its work. If you want to add some extra flair to it, use the tool set that they provide for you to make your videos really, really pop. So once you find which clip that you want to use, go ahead and download that. Then you're going to take that clip and you're going to upload it to your social media, and remember to submit that back to Whop so that way you can get paid, and make sure you do it within the first hour of uploading your content. Now, like I mentioned before, if you don't want to pay for the AI software to do it, and if you want to just do it all on your own manually, you can use CapCut. They do have a free version that you can go ahead and download instantly, put it on your computer, put it on your phone, and then start editing those clips that way as well. Now that you know how powerful clipping is and how you can start making money on it, and then combine that with the power of AI so you don't really have to do any of the work, the next thing you need to start thinking about is doing this for your own content. So if you create YouTube videos, if you create long form content, you can start using other people to start generating traffic for you. So look at it like this. When you run Google ads to your YouTube video or you run Facebook ads, you're paying for every click. So doing it this way, where other people are actually uploading your content, repurposing it, and driving traffic back to your platform, you're paying a lot cheaper rates for your views, and that's going to build your subscriber base, because the people that are watching your content, they are active social media users, and the person that's uploading it probably has a really good fan following, and that's just going to be doing some cross promotion. So think about doing this for yourself, because it is highly profitable and it is a much affordable and effective way for you to start driving traffic to your own content. So hopefully this video helps you out and you jump in and you start putting it to use. A lot of people always ask me, why do I put out this content? Won't other people start doing it and then I stop making money? The truth is I can show everybody how to do it step by step, but what really happens happens is people watch content and they never put it to use, and then they sit back and wonder why they're not being successful online. If you're really interested in making money online, you actually have to implement the things that you are learning. So that's all for this video, and just remember, if you're gonna make money online, make it like a Smith.